us here to rock the house here at Renegade Monster Trucks. Let's talk to team captain Randy Jenkins of Team New York. Randy, how about it, man? You're here in New York, you're here in Maryland from Team New York at the first win of the day. How cool is it being here in Maryland, dude?
I'll tell you right now, had a pretty good time here today. The weather's been great, I'll give you all that. That's about as far as it goes. This track is junk. These riders they got going against us is junk. I don't know what to tell you, other than they promised to pay me if our team won. So we're going to take all y'all's money when we get done. We're going to go back to New York and party a little bit on y'all's down for a change. How y'all like that? I like that.
Yeah, man, what's going on here? You're partying on their time? What's this all about, man?
I'm not here to make friends, brother. I'm here to win money. Me and my boys here, we got some partying to do when we get done with this thing. And you know, we got the girls waiting back. But we're all right. We take the money, we're going to go have some fun.
Oh, what do you guys think, man? You guys New Yorker fans or not?
Hey, shut up when I'm talking. But you know one thing about it? Their team does have one little girl riding for them. And I ain't kidding. So far, she's the best looking thing I've seen here. So I'm sorry, guys, but y'all got to step up your program. It's going to be with her.
You got kind of an attitude, man. What's going on?
My attitude is this. I'm sick and tired of being treated like I'm nobody. You know what? New York is the best team going this year. 2026 has been our year. We win every single place we go. And you know what? Yeah, boo all you want, but you know the truth is the truth. You know what? We got the wins to prove it. So you know what? I don't really care if I got fans here. What I'm here about is money. Y'all got that? Checker flags, wins, girls, money. That's it.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, Team New York. What's this deal, man? That's the sand for New York. You're bugging. let's talk to these riders. Phil, you heard all the trash that Mr. Randy Jenkins and Team New York were talking earlier, man. You were back there, you heard all the trash talk, and now, brother, you just beat these guys.
I'll talk trash whenever I want to. It ain't a thing you gonna do about it.
Well, let me tell you guys, how awesome was that for Crownsville, by the way? Now, that just goes to show you what kind of guy this guy is. I'll tell you what, the real hero today is this rider right here. Give it up! Give it up!
Oh boy, hey, listen, keep it on the track, keep it on the, Mr. Dinkins, keep it on the track, man. Hey, listen, I don't, oh boy. Listen, man, I'm an announcer, I'm just an announcer. All right, listen, we're buddies. I'm a New Yorker too. I'm a New Yorker too, but I'm not a jerk like you are. I'm a New Yorker too, and I'm not a jerk like you are. Hey, listen, I'm speaking for the people here. Phil, oh man, nonetheless, you're the champ here. I gotta watch my back. Oh boy, this guy's hot. Somebody gotta, oh boy. Might need to get some security out here for this guy. But nonetheless, dude, congratulations. Getting the win today. What's going through your head right now, man? Knowing that you just beat Team Boo York.
Well, that was easy actually, because everybody, look at how this guy's behaving. I'll tell you what. Well, look, I just want to thank everybody for coming out here. This was awesome. Believe it or not, we were loud out here, but we could still hear you cheering, and that was the best thing in the world. So, keep it up. And again, let's keep it up to my girl right here.
Who boy is? You hear me? You better check yourself. Don't be mouthing off to me no more. You understand me?
You better check yourself, man.
I am checking myself right here, right now. It's checked. Say it again. That's what I thought.
You need to check yourself into a mental institution. Monster truck fans! Yeah! talk with these guys for a little bit. Let's talk to the captain of Team New York, Mr. Randy Dinkins. Now, Randy, here's the thing, man. You're out here in front of these awesome fans here in Maryland. You just got the first round of Quad Wars Racing, dude. Congratulations. How cool is it to get that win here in front of these fans here in Maryland?
It's pretty cool. I mean, anywhere we go this year, it seems like New York dominance everywhere we go, so it's not a surprise to us. These guys right here, my boy Ty right here, he's awesome. He's a flat out guy to go in this year. We're having a great time. Last night I won one, he won one. We had a good time. You know what? Bottom line is, Maryland toward the lower end of the run, so they're not very good this year. We knew we were going to have a pretty good time, pretty easy time when we got here today.
Well, you seem pretty confident, man. I mean, you know, well, I mean, you're a nice crowd here in Maryland.
It's not hard to have confidence when all you do is win.
Well, this is true. This is true. But you know, I heard some boos from the fans. I heard some boos from the fans, man. I mean, I don't know.
Even the losers, you gotta have some fans. I mean, come on. You just go up there and cheer for the next New York victory and don't worry about what we do, okay?
Come on, man. Really? Come on. That didn't look like a clean race out there, dude. We're saying your name's Todd. That didn't look like a clean race out there, Todd.
Hello, man. Yesterday they were playing a little dirty, sent me into a wall, so today we had to show them how to do it.
Well, and man, oh man, I mean, your team captain there was talking a bunch of trash earlier. I mean, dude, you gotta play fair on this track, man. This is Maryland. You gotta play by the rules.
Nah, man, they were already water in the corners for us, trying to send us into the wall again, taking home field advantage. Not happening. We gotta play how we do.
Randy, you're saying let's explain something. What's going on? You're the team captain. What's going on, dude?
Well, you just said something kind of struck a chord with me. Talking about us playing fair. We need to play by the rules. Here's the one thing. All you fans need to know this. In Quad Wars, we take every rider here, we divide it into two teams. We'll invite Team New York, we'll invite Team Maryland, or whatever state they're from, don't make no difference. But when we get here, there is no rules. The first team to the checker flag wins the race. You got that? And I showed you here again, New York is the dominant team of 2026. It ain't a thing none of y'all can do about it, especially you, Grandpa.
If you call all this a team right here, is that hogwash or what? These guys were all over the place. Did you see that? That was absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous.
You know why you got to see it? Because you were behind us having a good front row seat. Because seeing the domination that we put on you. Oh man, let's go get some. You want some?
Oh man, that's the pot calling the kettle black right there, Pops. This is what we're gonna. Hey, everybody in here, what do you think about 3 laps? Team captain for Maryland against team captain from New York. 3 laps, and this is for all the beans right here. What do you say?
Wait, 3 laps, you versus him. 2 of your best guys, right? One of your best guys. Is it one-on-one?
One-on-one, right here. Just this clown.
Are you sure you can hold on that long?
Get on the bike. Get on the bike.
You know what? I tell you what. I'm going to win because I got pride. I'll show you what New York can really do now.
Okay, well, Monsters and fans, do you want to see one-on-one team championship? With Team New York, he was talking about these great people here in Maryland, but you were telling me back there, nah man, I'm here to represent Maryland, and that you did, brother. You got the big one. Congratulations.
Heck yeah, man. That just goes to show you, talk is cheap, right? That's right. And I hope y'all enjoyed all this, because we definitely sure did. So thanks again for coming, and I'm grateful for all of you.
There you go. Hey, Phil, congratulations, man. That was a gnarly, gnarly chase to the finish, but in the end, it was Team Maryland that got the dub. Congratulations to Phil and the guys over in Team Maryland for getting the job done. Man, that was awesome. You're here in front of your friends and family. What does it mean to you to represent for Team Maryland and get that win today so far?
I'll tell you what, guys, I'm so proud to be part of the state and in this town here in Crownsville. You guys can hear all the talk these guys from New York are talking. It's horrible hogwash. Well, let's give it up for Gracie.
Gracie, you're on this team. You represent not only for your state of Maryland, not only for this awesome Quad Wars team, but for all the ladies out there. How awesome is it to represent for all the girls that love four-wheelers?
Really good. I'm happy to be here, and everybody comes up to me on my class like, oh, how easy is it to ride? And like I'm really talking, not easy, but like you can make it work when you take practice.
There you go. How about it, ladies and gentlemen? Phil and Gracie from Team Maryland. Now, guys, here's the deal. I understand that you're going to be, Phil, you're going to be racing against these guys again here today. What would it mean to get win number 2 against Team New York for your team here in Maryland?
Well, definitely yesterday was a piece of cake because these guys from the field, they can talk the talk, but they definitely can't walk the walk. And today we're gonna beat them. We're gonna have to get in our trucks and go way up back to home up north. Because you know what? This is our house right here in Maryland, Crownsville.
Oh, yeah, Monster Truck fans, one more time, let them hear ya, Team Maryland!
And we still took it.
Oh, man, a foot race. Randy, what do you?
How you like that, man? Got whooped again, even by foot.
Oh, come on. Randy, can you explain yourself, dude? I mean, this is a Quad Wars race, man. Come on, what are you?
Quad Wars. Did you hear that word? You just said it yourself. King, Renegade King. Y'all like the king out here? Check this out. I like that. But rules of Quad Wars is one rule, very simple. Even you can understand it. I'm thinking even the folks here in Maryland can understand it. Quad Wars, 2 teams. First team to the finish line wins. Doesn't say anything about having a rider bike. Gotta say nothing. First team, checker flag, wins. We won. Deal with it.
Chuck, well, I don't think these fans agree with you, dude.
I don't care what they agree with. Losers are losers. That's all there is to it.
Hey, come on. There's some good people here in Maryland. Come on.
I ain't found one yet.
Jeez.
I swear to God, that was the most ridiculous thing I think I've ever seen. Am I right about that? Yeah. I mean, his teammate had to even cheat and push my guy over running. Can you be quiet? You had your time, my friend. Now look, see? So here's the deal. If you guys think you're the real champions here, which you're really not, I challenge you. Yeah, well, from here, you know what's going to happen? I'm going to challenge you to a 3-lap race. Yep. Nope. Just me and you, and this is for all the beans, right? Winner takes all, and then you load your junk up and go back up north.
But let me explain something. Shut up when I'm talking. Let me explain something to you. We don't race for beans, you moron. We race it for money, so get over that. And the other thing is, if you think you got something for me, just me and you one-on-one, oh, this is gonna be fun. Y'all watch it.